first thing that you have to do is go to their website, which is sight-sound.com. And the first thing that you will do is pick between the two theaters, which is Lancaster and Branson. And the most important part of it is to make sure that you pick the right time, 11 in the morning, 3 and 7 at night. And then all three are together on a Saturday. So now that we talked about booking your reservations, now it's time to talk about seating. You'll have the best seat in the house no matter where you sit in the theater. However, I would recommend to sit in a race section. This is an example of what it looks like. The best part about sitting in a race section is that you have a bird's eye view of all three stages, since it's a wraparound stage. And the seats that you're seeing here in the middle of the action point, you're interacting with the animals as the actors on the stage.
No, no! Help me!
First time, relax, breathe. Well, isn't it great?
No! Goodbye. Forever.
Again. You know, we have to get out. Do you like roller coasters now? No. Again.
Some fun. Here we go.
Some people say they're like adrenaline junkies. So does it have like a euphoric drug effect on people?
It does. It's a naturally produced like a drug, and it does help you feel alive. It gives us a euphoric feeling, definitely.
Are we gonna fall in love?
I hope so.